Hey guys, kumusta kayo? So today, we're gonna go through the process on how I turn my sketches into products. Well, at least doing the right way. So without further ado, wish me luck. So in the last video, I actually made a mistake by creating a product that could potentially have a copyright issues. But today, I want to do it the right way. So step 1, finding the perfect reference. Since for making a product using Prettyify, we're gonna find a reference that is completely normal. But we're going to stylize it so it doesn't look recognizable. And also, we will add some things to the sketch to feel more unique based on what I like. So I usually gather all the reference into a whole illustration using the app called Freeform because it's the fastest way you can compile everything before you can do all the sketching. And also, this is the best way you can make some thumbnails for your drawings. So now, we're gonna go ahead and do all the sketching. So for this one, just take your time to make your illustration based on your style. I also wanna give a shout out to Prettyify for supporting this channel. As an artist, I've always loved the process of creating, but most of the time, my drawings just stay in my sketchbook. And sometimes I wonder, what if my art could exist beyond that? And that's when I started exploring Prettyify. So what I like about Prettyify is it gives artists a simple way to turn their artwork into a real products, without worrying about the printing, inventory, or the shipping. So for someone like me who mainly focuses on drawings, that's really helpful. It means that I can spend more time in creating instead of dealing with the complicated parts of selling. It also made me realize something deeper. As an artist, we put a lot of time and emotion into our work, right? And sometimes it's just stay on the page. But the idea is that someone could have my art into their space, or on their wall, or on something they could use every day. So for me, this isn't about selling products. It's about giving my art into another life outside of my sketchbook. Okay, now, once we're done with the illustration, we're gonna go ahead and make the design for Prettyify. So for this process, since I have a camera and my iPhone, I usually choose the iPhone instead because it gives a more natural look for my sketches. I also include some of my paintings and drawings here that could potentially sell as a product. So the first thing I do is I upload my art to Prettyify. So this is where my drawings start turning into something more than just a file. So next is I choose the product where I want to go. It could be a poster, a shirt, or something else. So this part is interesting because it makes me think about how my art will look into a real world. And after that, I adjust the design, I resize it, move it around, and once I'm done with that, you can just preview the product. Honestly, this is one of my favorite part because you can finally see your artwork looks into an actual item. And once everything looks good, you can just hit the publish. And there you have it.